If you're looking to turn WhatsApp into a marketing powerhouse, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to automate your WhatsApp messages effortlessly using WA Messenger. No more copy-pasting, no more manual effort, just pure automation. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's possible. First, head to WhatsApp web and open the WA Messenger extension. If you haven't installed it yet, do it now. Next, grab an Excel sheet with all your contacts and upload it. To send images, PDFs, or videos, just attach them and make your messages more engaging. You can send media too. But you're ready to send messages in bulk. Craft your message, keep it engaging and clear. That's so simple. Well, check everything, hit send, watch your message go out to thousands of people effortlessly, and get your reports automated.